Welcome to the IntelliSTAIR demo showing how to manage welds in xTStair using the XTWeld control. This video will show how easy it is to set the weld properties in an IntelliSTAIR plugin. All welds are shown where they are used in the XTStair dialog. Clicking on the pencil or edit button shows the XTWeld properties dialog. In this dialog you can set all of the weld attributes: the shop or field welding, the size, the type, the root opening, the angle, contour, finish, etc. Clicking on the copy button saves a copy of the currently shown settings to be used in other welds. Opening the XTWeld dialog for another weld after a copy shows that the paste button is now enabled. Clicking on the paste button sets the previously saved settings for this weld. We will copy the same settings to all of the top and bottom flange welds, modify the settings slightly for the web welds, and set those also. Welds can be turned on and off with the on and off button. Welds that are turned off in the dialog will not be created in the model. The weld image shows the current state of the weld. Next, we will copy all the weld settings on the right stringer to the left stringer. Then we will set the welds for the support angles. Again, we open the weld dialog, paste the saved settings, and modify them as necessary. We can copy these new settings to be used on the upper supports. Then we will set the end welds for the supports. And copy all of these settings to the left stringer. We will also set the welds for the pan supports and pans. The pans will be field welded as this is not a unitized stair. Notice that the top closure and bottom risers have separate weld settings than the rest of the treads. This is so you can create a unitized stair with xTStair where the top and bottom closures are shipped loose. One other thing to notice is that if there are no supports, the welds will be applied to the stringers. So with all of our welds set in the xTStair dialog, we will update the stair in the model. Selecting the stair shows all of our weld symbols, just like we set them in the xTStair dialog. We can also see how the shop and field weld settings allow us to determine the assembly creation of the stringers. Finally, we will compare the XTWeld properties in the model to the XTWeld properties in the xTStair dialog to show how the properties map between XTWeld and XTWeld. Thanks for watching this video, and be sure to watch other IntelliSTAIR videos about xTStair for more information. Don't forget to click on the link to download a trial version of xTStair.